Hello 911ers, we find ourselves once again under the bottom of my car. As you know, or if you follow me, you saw that I posted a video a few weeks ago about the cleaning and maintenance and slight repair of the undercarriage. And I'm not going to go too much into detail here, just show you an overview image. You can view the details in the link in the description, but I did want to do a follow-up because I added another little tidbit to make the bottom look better, which are these little plugs that go throughout the bottom of the car on the sides and 3 on the front. This is the part number, and I replaced not all but most of the plugs. I left the ones that looked in fair condition in place, but this makes the car a little bit more unified and just plugs up those holes that would allow water and debris to enter and cause some unwanted aging, shall we say. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. Just wanted to share, and thanks for watching. Bye.